How many subscribers do you need to make money on YouTube? There are plenty of people without millions of subscribers that do good numbers on YouTube, which makes many of us wonder how many subscribers do you really need to start earning an income. In this video, you will learn about YouTube Partners Program and their requirements and their means of monetization that are far more lucrative. So what is YouTube Partner Program? The first step in monetization your YouTube account is joining the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program is a monetization program that helps creators make money when people view their videos through advertisement. Since Google owns YouTube, the program uses Google AdSense to display ads of your choosing with the YouTube Partner Program. You are given the freedom to choose what kind of ads and videos you want and don't want to use to monetize your content. Your options for ads include commercial that play before your video, a banner underneath your video, or an ad above suggested videos on the right. When a viewer watches or clicks on the commercial or ad, you receive a small commission. This could be a few cents to a couple of dollars per view or click. The amount of money you receive depends on several factors including the advertiser's bid, the type of content being shown, and the length of your video. The YouTube Partner Program requires you to apply to monetize your YouTube channel, but once you are accepted, you will be able to start conveying your viewers and subscribers to an income. So what are the requirements? YouTube has recently announced several new eligibility requirements for joining their partner program in order to avoid spammers, influencers, and others with bad intentions from distracting from channels with quality content. To eligible for YouTube Partner Program, your channel must have at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months and also have 1,000 subscribers. Once your account meets these requirements, you can begin the application process with involving agreeing to their terms and conditions, signing up for Google AdSense, and setting your monetization preferences. So you are a member of a YouTube Partner Program, then what you will do? According to the YouTube Partner Program requirements, you need at least 1,000 subscribers to be eligible to monetize your account through their program. However, there are a lot of factors that contribute to receiving a substantial payout from AdSense. As you already know, the amount of money you can make on YouTube varies due to the nature of ads and what kind of viewership you have. Some ads pay per view, many ads pay per click. To get the most out of your ad revenue, you want to have high viewership engagement rate. The more viewers you have interacting with your ads, the more money you will make. While you can't control how enticing each displayed ad is your viewer, you can control what kind of ads appear with your videos. The success of your ad depends on how well they match your audience interest as well as the length of your video. Think about it. A 30-minute video gives a viewer 30 minutes to click on an ad, or as opposed to a video that's only 5 minutes. It also gives Google AdSense more chances to display relevant ads, especially when considering the time commercials that play throughout a video. When you initially enter your monetization and ad preferences, make sure to only choose ads that will appeal to your target audience. This includes topics, colors, and formats that are guaranteed to get your viewers' attention. The best way to determine how successful your videos are is by looking at your channel matrices and analytics. These not only tell you how well your videos are performing, but how likely you are to start increasing the money you make via ads and other monetization methods. There are three main ratios that help you how your channel is doing. like to view ratios, comments to view ratios, and subscriber to view ratios. So I will make the complete video on these 3 ratios in future. So keep watching my videos, subscribe my channel, and must share with your friends. Thanks.